back to my channel. It's Miss Tina here. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for clicking this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. So as you can see today, we're doing a hair video. So this is a hair review video because I've already like installed it and everything, but I'm just here to let you guys know of like what I think of this hair and like how it's been for the past 2 months. I think I've had it for the past 2 months. And guys, when I tell you this hair, okay, I'm gonna get into the hair in a minute, but I'm just gonna tell you first where this hair is from. I am a bit in a rush because I'm just about to create content for Instagram. Obviously I'm gonna tag it somewhere. So this hair is from ZEE.ELLE hair. I've worked with them for a while now. Like, they are really good. I would advise anyone. Every time my friends ask me where my hair is from, if it's from ZEE.ELLE, I'll let them know. I'll let you guys know in a minute why you should get your hands on this hair here. So stay tuned. So when this hair came in, it was already pre-plucked for me. It was already pre-cut and everything. They just left the side tabs out for me to kind of let it fit with my head. Installing this hair was so easy. Like even just now, it took me like 10 minutes, 15 minutes to really install it. Like it melts so easily. I've not even tinted this lace. Like it's that good. Like you can see how I'm running my hands through it. Like it doesn't tangle. Like this hair, it does not tangle. Like it does not tangle, and it's not stiff either. Like look at this. Look at this. It's like me 22 inches. This is what it looks like from the back. It's not too long, and that's just the way I like my hair. So obviously if you want your hair a bit longer, that's what you'd go for. For the back, it doesn't like matte at the back or anything. I don't see why hair should still do that in 2021 going up 2022. But yeah, as for this hair, it doesn't matte at the back, it doesn't matte anywhere else. The ends are really lush as well. So if you look at the ends, it's really nice. Obviously it's been bleached. Like there's so many highlights in it, so it's been bleached and obviously toned and everything. And I've also gone ahead and used a purple shampoo to go over it again, only because when I washed this hair after installing the first time, I thought, why not use a purple shampoo since there are highlights in it, most of it. So I went in again with a purple shampoo, and I don't know, I think it's just kind of brought out the grey tone and the blonde a bit more, which I really like. So I'm really a huge fan of it. It cut the baby hairs for me as well, so I'm sure that's how it comes for everyone. Going up like this, I think it's a 13 by 6, but however, you know, when doing like a side part, it's a bit shorter. Obviously I'm not really fixed this baby hair here, but like it blends. Like bear in mind, I've not put foundation on this lace. Obviously I'm wearing makeup, but I try not to have foundation or too much makeup around my hairline. I just like to have it looking clean. Stiff wear, like respect me. Like I love the details to it. Like there's just like this blonde going through it, which like I'm a huge fan of, and like it's just really nice. I just really love like what it does for me. Obviously I'm like a huge like fan of like a side part, and so I like to go for a side part, but obviously if you would like to go for like a middle part, that works as well. They do have these bands at the back, so you can kind of tighten it up a little bit, so that's really good too about this hair. I feel like this hair is such a beginner friendly type of hair, so obviously if you're not like really used to like frontals and stuff, I feel like this is a really good beginner friendly one, because even when putting it on, it kind of feels a bit tighter. So it's like put on the lace, it's not too hard, if you get what I mean. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I just wanted to let you guys know like how good this hair is. Like look, I'm running my fingers through it, and it's like it's not disappointing me at any point. Like look at how nice. And obviously I will let you guys know what I put in my hair. Okay guys, so when it comes to washing my hair with this wig here, so not for all my wigs, I literally use this purple shampoo here only for like for brightening up my blonde bits. So if I'm wearing this hair, or if I'm like washing my blonde 613 wigs, I like to use this shampoo here. I think I got it from Poundland, and it works just fine. Like it literally works just fine. If you know me, you know I'm a cheapskate. Like I will get anything for a bargain, I will. So this one here, so don't think, oh, because it's like, I think it was £2, don't think because it's £2 it won't work. It works. This here, it definitely works. So I'm not really trying to be a YouTuber, but yeah, this here, like it really works. Keeps the color alive, because look at that, like it keeps it alive, which like I love, because I just don't like walking out the door with dead hair. It's not it. It says that it kind of is a touch of silver, so it's for blonde, platinum, or grey or white hair. So obviously you can see why I would use this on this wig. Obviously you can see that it works, so yeah, so this is really, really good. And then finally, I like to use a hair serum or like a hair treatment oil or anything for this hair, because obviously like because it's so bleached and so highly processed, I like to use this Moroccan argan oil, which we like, I think we all know of really. So it's really, really good, only because it kind of just brings the hair back together without making it greasy, if you get what I mean. Like obviously with straight hair, you don't want it obviously to get greasy, because that just not, it's not a look. So with this oil here, when I tell you, it saved me so much, because when this hair is not treated with it, it can tend to look a bit questionable, which you don't want. So I'd say go Poundland's. It's only £1 like for this oil, and you don't need much. Like I've used this a couple of times for all my wigs, and this is like, if I can't see if you can tell, but it's only this much has gone off, like, and I think this was gonna last me for a good while. So I like to use for my wigs to make it look lush and just make it a lot more nicer for a longer time. Do you get what I mean? It's an intensive hydrating treatment, so definitely something you want for your wigs, because obviously, as we know, wigs are not alive, they're not attached to your actual scalp, so obviously you need something to make it look a lot more lush while it's still a wig and while you still want it. And then finally, to keep my flyaways away, I like to normally use like a mousse, but if not, I will use a wax stick, but I don't have a wax stick right now, so this works perfectly fine. This wrap and set mousse from Olive Oil ORS. So I like to use this one here, so it works perfectly fine. I just take a little bit out and just rub my hands and just put it up in my hair. I definitely did not need any more. I feel like with this mousse, it doesn't build up too much as well. Like the build up is not too much, so obviously you can add as much as you want and it won't like create this build up. So as for now, like it's really nice. I love it. Like this is a bit of me, and I just love the way it looks. Like just look at that, look at that. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the top. This is what it looks like, and oh, I just love this hair. Like I just love running my fingers through it. But yeah, I just don't want this video to be too long. So this is literally it. If you guys like it, let me know. I did want to cut some layers into it, but I don't know, I might do that another time. But this hair is just, it's just everything, isn't it? Like I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. But yeah, no, it's a bit of me, but I'm gonna quickly now take my content because I see my friend messaging me. So we're gonna go take content, and I might just pop in the pictures I took in this video, just so you know what it looks like on pictures too. Thank you so much for watching. If you again are a new person on my channel, make sure to subscribe. I really love when people just love my channel and just love my content. So if you really like what I do, follow me, subscribe to me. For my existing subscribers already, thank you so much for still supporting me, even though I'm like the worst YouTuber out here. Like I'm not consistent, am I? But like I do appreciate you guys, and I just love when you guys comment and just watch my video. Okay, so yeah, so that's the review, and thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.